Stop scrolling, because if you love sewing and you've ever looked around your home thinking, I can make that better, this video is about to light your creativity on fire. Today we're diving into 25+ sewing home decor ideas that can completely transform your space without spending a fortune. Every idea in this video was found while scrolling Pinterest, and I've linked my Pinterest board in the description so you can go check out the original inspiration and patterns for yourself. I want you to watch closely, pick your favorite idea, and drop it in the comments, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning project in my own style right here on the channel. These are simple, doable, and honestly kind of addictive ideas that turn everyday fabric into cozy, beautiful home upgrades. So grab your imagination, maybe grab some fabric scraps, and let's turn your home into something that feels custom, warm, and completely you. Your home doesn't need more stuff, it needs your touch. That's something most people don't realize when they walk through their space and feel like something is missing. The first instinct is usually to buy more pillows, more decorations, more storage, more everything. But the real shift happens when you start creating instead of consuming. When you bring sewing into your home decor, you're not just making things. You're actually changing the feeling of your space from generic to personal. Handmade pillow on a couch, a set of curtains you actually chose and made yourself, or even small fabric accents around a room can completely change the energy without changing how much money you spend. It starts to feel like your space is finally reflecting you, not a store. And the interesting part is, once you begin doing this, you start noticing that perfection isn't the goal. In fact, the little imperfections in handmade pieces are what make them feel warm, lived in, and real. This is how homes used to be built, not instantly, not with a cart full of matching sets, but slowly, one piece at a time, with care and intention. And that mindset doesn't just change your home, it changes how you think about what you already have, because suddenly nothing feels like just stuff anymore. If you're enjoying this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe for more sewing inspiration, home decor ideas, and creative ways to transform your space without spending a fortune. And as you keep watching, I want you to think less about what you can buy next and more about what you can make next, because that's where your home really starts to feel like it belongs to you.